Hi everyone, I'm Rachel from Ellii, and in this video I'll be showing you how to use courses and study packs. Courses and study packs are bundles of lessons ordered in a suggested sequence related by theme, skill, or target structure, and focus on a specific proficiency level. Study packs contain 4 to 6 lessons, while courses are more comprehensive and can include an assessment at the end. So without further ado, let's get started. Once you have logged in, head over to Materials in the top banner and click Courses and Study Packs from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to the Courses and Study Packs page where you can start browsing for ones that suit your needs. You can find the level for each course or study pack right beneath the title. You can sort the courses and packs at the top with the drop-down menus by material type to choose between courses and packs, by level, or by category. Once you have chosen your course or pack, you can view the description right beneath the title, and right below you'll see 3 tabs: Materials, Overview, and Teacher's Notes. The Materials tab includes all of the lessons and resources included in the course or pack. You can click on each item on the list to view the selected lesson or resource. The Overview tab contains more information about the course or pack, including the focus and about how long the course should take to complete. Teacher's Notes contains additional information on how to teach the course, as well as helpful resources to supplement your teaching. From the description of the course or pack, you can add it to your class by clicking the Add to Class button, choosing your class from the drop-down menu, picking the location, and clicking the blue Save button. If you don't want to add it to your class just yet, you can save it to your folders instead by clicking the folder icon, choosing one of your folders, and clicking the blue Save button at the bottom. Once you have added the course or pack, you can view it in your class by clicking Classroom in the top banner and selecting Classes from the drop-down menu. Choose the class you assigned the course or pack to, and find it in the column you saved it to. Click the down arrow to view all of the items in your course or study pack. When the course is in the teaching column, by default, only the first lesson is visible to your students. Click the eye icon next to a lesson or resource to make it visible to your students, and click it again to hide it from your students. You can control at what pace your students view the lessons by using these eye icons. Clicking on the individual lesson or resource will open the Details tab. Here you can set a due date for this specific lesson or add a note to your students. You can change the visibility of the lesson by checking it off below, and you can also edit the tasks included in the lesson by clicking Edit Tasks on the right. Here you can check off the tasks you don't want your students to complete and click Update at the bottom to save the changes. The Scheduling tab allows you to schedule ahead when you want a lesson to be visible to your students and when you want it to be hidden from your students. The system will automatically do this for you once you set a date and click the blue Save button. Clicking the course or pack itself gives you similar options. You can change the column it's in, you can post to Google Classroom, add a note, or use the Scheduling tab as well. That's it for this video on how to use courses and study packs. I hope it was helpful. Please let us know if you have any questions. Happy teaching!
Ellii.